What's up, YouTube? It is January 7th, 2021. I'm in the bunker, and after everything that's gone on in the last 24 hours, I don't think I ever want to leave again. Alright, how's it going, guys? You know, people that have been following the page know that a couple months ago before the election I did a prepping series because I was a little concerned about what was going on. That seemed to kind of come to fruition a little more. They moved the ball down the field a little more yesterday. I'm not talking politics here. This is not anything that I care to tread into. So this is a little bit of a stream of consciousness and a little bit of a riff here, so bear with me. My plan was to kind of resurrect the prepping series as a live stream where we could all get together and kind of chat and hash things out in real time, kind of talk with each other. I can't do that right now because of my schedule. Tomorrow I have to have a couple wisdom teeth out, so I don't think I'll be worth a crap all weekend, so that pushes the live stream off. Next week I don't think I'll be able to do it. The one after that would be after the inauguration, so maybe we can do one then because we'll have to see what's going on. But what I really wanted to talk about is, I'm on a website here. It says, Chuck Schumer, $2,000 stimulus checks are one of the first things we want to do. I can't say that I agree with the helicopter money for everybody because we don't have it, so they're only printing it, and when they just print money, the value of the money goes down. So when somebody gives you money that is going to be devalued quickly, like Mark Twain once said, I think it was Mark Twain, he said, buy land because it's the only thing they ain't making more of. I can't agree more with that one. Get out and buy the essentials if they give you the money. If you take the $2,000, please don't go buy a flat screen TV that you do not need. What would be the top priority that you would want to buy? Well, let's pose that as a question. Barring televisions or you know, sound bars for your television or a new leather couch, what would be a priority for you to purchase with stimulus money that they're sending out to people? Put that down below and we can all have a chat with it. There's $2,000 going to be their number one priority. Today Dow jumps more than 50 as stock surge following Georgia runoff. So I think the Dow hit an all-time high today. I'm presuming it's because the businesses know that there's going to be the quote-unquote helicopter money coming out to everybody. Whew. I guess $600 already went out to everybody. If you got it, let me know down below. And it looks like now the House is saying that they're going to add $1,400 to that. I don't know what that means. I haven't seen any checks. I usually don't deal with direct deposit. Anything that I deal with on taxes or anything are just checks back and forth with me and the government. I don't want them to have access to my checking account in any direction. I don't trust them. All right, well that's about it. Elon Musk just sold 3 more California homes. That must be nice. All right, let's get back to it. There may be a bunch of jump cuts in here because I'm just riffing. So apparently $600 already went out. If you guys got the $600, let me know. I haven't seen it. Maybe you got my $600. Can I borrow $600? And they're going to send out another $1,400. But when you're just printing money, it loses value. I think Zimbabwe was actually printing $100 trillion bills. Their inflation had gone off the rails so bad. Their currency was worthless. I think Venezuela has just recently gone through the same thing. I don't want to say that our dollar is going to completely collapse because I don't know. We are still the strongest currency in the world. That remains to be seen how long that will be. You know, the big dog on the block is only the big dog on the block for so long. I don't know if the time's up in that aspect or not. But I do know that the more you print money, the less it's worth. You know, a $20 gold coin is worth, what, $2,000 now? So let me know down in the comments what a priority would be with your $2,000. Buying food and toiletries and cleaning supplies, things that are going to end up increasing in cost. Which are things that will be in demand. I mean, if people want it, price is going up. People don't want it, price is going down. That's supply and demand. So, you know, if everybody in our government would just read Henry Hazlitt's Economics in One Lesson, that would be fantastic. I think we could all be on a little bit of a better course in this world. But, you know, like I said, I'm not taking sides on anything here. After what happened yesterday, I'm starting to realize that there's a lot of posturing on sides. And the politicians are going to do what the politicians do. You don't have to have a side to be caught up in the melee. So be prepared. Have everything that you need at your home, your homestead, your apartment. Unfortunately, if you're in a very densely populated area, I discussed this in the other videos, that you may want to think about not being there, but that's not always an option. There's still a lot of people, I'm one of them, my wife is one of them, that we've been working straight through this pandemic. So, you know, if you're in a big city and you got a job there, you're kind of stuck. So preparing there is a little bit different than preparing where you've got room, but you can stack a year's worth of food in an apartment. That's not out of the realm of possibility. So take the $2,000 that they have just rained down upon you because there are magnanimous overlords with a printing press, and buy the stuff that you need now. Or maybe you are pretty well prepped, but you just had a vehicle emergency and you had to drop $1,700 into getting your transmission repaired. You put that on a credit card. Pay it off. You don't want to have the debt when you have uncertainty. I can sit here and spew Dave Ramsey stuff at you all day long, but there's no need to do that. All I really wanted to do with this video was touch base with you guys and say that I would like to do this as a live stream. If you guys are interested in doing this as a live stream, let me know down below. You know, if there's enough interaction, then I will do that. If not, I mean, I've got a lot of build videos that I'm kind of working on, which is always good for homesteaders. You know, man, I take it for granted, but really knowing how to build, I mean, if you're building a shed, a garage, a chicken coop, a full-blown addition on your house, I know how to do it. I don't think much of it. A lot of people don't, but it's not very difficult. So I've got a lot of those videos coming up. I'm not abandoning the DIY aspect of this channel by any means. That's still the main focus of this thing, but it is a we're going on a self-sufficiency tact for now that involves prepping. And when something's on my mind, I come out to the bunker, throw the camera on, and start spewing it. So let me refresh, make sure nothing has occurred. You know, no other attempted insurrections, which is always good. I mean, you guys want to talk about that? We can talk about that at some point, but that's too political for me. I'm not a political creature. Some crazy photos here from yesterday, though, man. Wow. All right. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up, try to get this thing edited and get it up tonight. So if you got the $600, let me know. Let me know what you think you should purchase with the $2,000. I'd like to see where everybody's kind of at. Like if people were like, oh, I need to buy canned soup, or somebody's like, I'm all set and I'm going to put the $2,000 into my 401k. Can you do that? Or you have to put in an IRA? I'm not sure how it works. I'm self-employed. That's about it. I don't know how this video is going to turn out because I'm going to do a lot of editing and chopping up of it because I'm just going off the top of my head. But until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll catch you then. Cheers. Wife got me actual whiskey rocks. It's kind of nice. It doesn't get watered down. Gotta watch it though. I can't go get my teeth pulled with a hangover.